The next biggest mistake is not fiercely protecting your intellectual property. You want to make sure that you are retaining control over your manuscript and your files. You personally need to copyright your material. It costs $65. It takes 10 minutes. You do that at copyright.gov. That is the official government website. You do not need to pay somebody else to do it for you. There's all these people out there saying, oh, you pay me hundreds of dollars and I'll copyright it. It is $65. You pay it to the government and the whole process takes 10 minutes. It's an online little form. You go through each screen. Then at the end, you pay your $65. Then the final step, you have to upload your manuscript. You hit submit. They'll mail you a certificate of copyright, or they'll reach out with any questions or concerns. So it's a very simple process. Do not fall for the trap of needing to hire somebody to do that. But you always make sure that you have copyrighted your material before the publication date. And that is an actual question on your copyright application. It will ask you if it's already been published. You want to answer no. So you are filing for the copyright before your book goes live or before your chapter goes live. Absolutely critically important. Make sure you own it. Make sure they send you the certificate of copyright. The next biggest mistake is that you allow your book to live in someone else's back office. Now, again, if you're doing traditional publishing house or hybrid, you have much less negotiating power and you have much less say, right? They can be very much my way or the highway. But once you get to independent publishing house in particular, or even vanity press, you want to insist that you get all of your final files in all the formats. You need to own them. They need to send them to you. You're going to put them on a flash drive. You're going to put them on a Google Drive. You're going to put them in several places so that no matter what happens, you own all of your final files, right? You want to make sure that you are retaining control over your manuscript and your files. And that is so important because you never, ever, ever want to be at the mercy of your publisher going out of business or deciding that they're too busy to answer your emails, right? Or that they're not going to do a promotion for you, or that when you need to order author's copies because you've got this big speaking engagement coming up, that they're too busy to process it. They don't process it. They refuse. Like, you never want to be at the mercy of your publisher in that regard. So make sure that you are getting complete control of your final files. Make sure you know where they're being uploaded. And ideally, you want them uploaded into your own Ingram Spark account.